Kitchen Nightmares is not just a popular show, but it can also be a source of inspiration and knowledge for product people and, of course, for businesses. For me, Kitchen Nightmares is a great practical way to learn about strategy and the elements you need to run a successful business. In this video, I will share 5 key themes Kitchen Nightmares teaches you about product strategy. 1. Have a focused menu. Prioritize quality over quantity. How many businesses have gone into trouble because they expanded their menu into something unsustainable? Unsustainability comes from the chef and the team not having the time to put the required effort into each dish. Having so many dishes available dilutes what is special about the restaurants. This is one of the first things a strategy should achieve: a clear focus for the company that highlights what is unique about your business and how you answer the customer's needs. When it comes to a great strategy, the concept of quality over quantity is key. 2. Clear understanding of what makes you unique. Gordon always spends time understanding the motivation behind the restaurant, the passion within each person who works there, and what makes that place unique. He then takes all the information and rebrands the restaurant to create bespoke dishes that reflect the story of the restaurant. Knowing what makes you stand apart from competition and how your product solves a customer need is so important to your strategy. You can decide to double down on what makes you different, what delights your customers, so that you can create a memorable experience. Humans are wired for stories, and it is a missed opportunity not to share yours. Understand your competition. Even though the focus shouldn't be all about competition, but about answering customer needs, it is important to understand key strengths, weaknesses, strategy, and positions of the competition. I really enjoy seeing Ramsay walk around towns and cities, checking the competition's menu, positions, prices, and quality of food. While focusing on your own identity and offering, it is still valuable to know where the competition's at. Definition: do a competitor analysis, and you can use SWOT model or the opportunity canvas to better understand your competition. In line with this, keep an eye on trends and changes in your industry and map that out. Work collaboratively to execute a strategy. Probably the most exciting part of the show is when Ramsay brings everyone who works at the restaurant together for having open discussions. This group includes everyone from the owner to the chef to the waitresses and accountant. They discuss what's going well as what's not going well in a forum where he makes sure everyone is heard. A strategy without buy-in and a clear action plan is not valuable. Make the process of the strategy collaborative, bring diverse thinking, and allow people to learn from each other. Spend time thinking about how you want to communicate your strategy to make sure everyone feels involved and they understand how they contribute. 5. Feedback directly from customers. To complete the feedback loop, Ramsay hosts a night with the full restaurant, and he spends time to understand how the customer needs have been fulfilled and what are the gaps. He always puts customers first, and he trains everyone to do the same. As a product manager, there's so many other priorities and things to do. You can feel like running user research sessions or finding ways to keep in touch with customers is not your top priority, but you are missing out on valuable insight. Building your strategy shouldn't be independent from customer needs. How many times did Ramsay take out the chef from the kitchen all the way to the customer table so that the customer can share good or bad feedback? The answer is in every episode. Imagine you are doing the same, but through your own process to create accountability and engagement from everyone in your team. Well, follow me for weekly product insights and top tips.